Let's bake a delicious orange coffee cake. Easy step-by-step recipe. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to share a delicious and easy recipe for orange coffee cake. If you are a fan of citrus flavors, you are going to love this cake. The combination of orange and coffee creates a unique and delightful taste perfect for breakfast, dessert, and afternoon treats. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 tablespoon orange zest, 1/4 cup of strongly brewed coffee, 1/2 cup chopped pecans, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease an 8-inch square baking pan with butter or cooking spray. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, beat the butter until it's creamy and smooth. Add the eggs, one at a time, and beat well after each addition. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture, alternating with the orange juice, and mix until just combined. Stir in the orange zest, coffee, and chopped pecans, if using. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Remove from the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes before serving. Serve the cake warm or at room temperature, dusted with powdered sugar, or topped with whipped cream. And there you have it, a delicious and easy recipe for orange coffee cake. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you will give this recipe a try. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more recipes like this, and leave us a comment below letting us know what you think. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.